Photoshop 24.5 comes with a new gradient feature. Select the gradient tool, go up to the top, you've got classic gradient, that was the previous style of gradient. Now we've got gradient, and that's an interactive gradient. So simply apply it, and that applies the current gradient using radial or linear, etc. But you'll notice one problem. You can't see the underlying image. Well, how to change the opacity for that? Well, you can go over here, and you've got the layers panel. You can go to blend modes, you can run through those, and you can see, obviously, if you move through those, you can see the underlying image. You can also change the opacity. Just quickly change that. But if you want to change the stops, you can go to the stop here, and you can double click. Unfortunately, it doesn't give you access to the opacity. Would be nice if it did, but it doesn't. What you can do, you can change the colour, so you might want that colour or blue, etc., and click OK. But to change this, the opacity, so you can see the underlying image, just go over here to Properties, and that's in the window menu, like layers. You can go down here, and you can see the gradient, and now the blue here, here's the blue, here's the opacity controls. So select that one, slightly bit bigger, and then go to the opacity, and instead of 100%, set it to 0. You can also change this, you can move it, so click on that one, and drag. So you can drag it over like that, and you can see the design, obviously, even more clearer. You've got the green there, the blue and yellow. But what you can also do is you can add additional ones. So you can just go here and click another one, and then you can generate a ring design very quickly, or double rings, or 3 rings. And you can move that around and change that, change the midpoint. Once you've done that, you can then duplicate it. Now you can duplicate the layer by using the layers panel. Just go over here to the layers panel, and you can go here, top, click there, and go down and select duplicate layer. Click OK, and then you can reposition it. Now, you'd think you'd be able to do that? You can't. What you need to do is go to the gradient tool. So select the gradient tool, and then click there, and then drag it around. You can reposition it. Another option, go here, and it's a gradient layer. You can just double click, and you can bring this up, and then you can move it around. So you can position it there or there, etc. And also you can tweak it and change it, and maybe change the gradient completely by selecting one of these. Click OK. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.